OT team members. Operation Theater (OT) team is a group of trained healthcare professionals who work together to perform safe and successful surgeries. Each member has a specific role and responsibility. Proper coordination, communication, and teamwork are essential to ensure patient safety and smooth surgical procedures. Man surgeon. The surgeon is the main doctor who performs the surgery. The surgeon is responsible for diagnosing the condition, planning the procedure, and carrying out the operation. They lead the surgical team and make important decisions during the procedure. Man medical assistant surgeon. The assistant surgeon helps the main surgeon during the operation. They may hold instruments, control bleeding, provide exposure of the surgical site, and support complex steps of the procedure. Their role is important for efficiency and patient safety. Anesthesiologist. The anesthesiologist is a specialist doctor who administers anesthesia to make the patient pain-free or unconscious during surgery. They monitor vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen level throughout the procedure. They are responsible for maintaining the patient's safety before, during, and after anesthesia. Glove scrub nurse. The scrub nurse works within the sterile field. They prepare and handle sterile instruments, pass instruments to the surgeon, and maintain sterility during the surgery. They must strictly follow infection control practices. Woman medical circulating nurse. The circulating nurse works outside the sterile area. They manage non-sterile tasks such as arranging equipment, documenting the procedure, and bringing additional supplies when needed. They act as a link between the sterile team and the outside area. Wrench OT technician. The OT technician assists in preparing and maintaining surgical equipment. They check the functioning of machines like the anesthesia machine, surgical lights, and monitors. They also help in positioning the patient and ensuring all instruments are ready. Importance of team coordination in Operation Theater. Successful surgery depends on proper teamwork and coordination among all Operation Theater (OT) team members. Surgery is not a one-person job. It requires the combined effort of the surgeon, anesthesiologist, nurses, and technicians. Clear communication, defined roles, mutual respect, and proper planning are essential for smooth functioning inside the OT. Reducing surgical errors. When team members communicate clearly and follow standard protocols such as surgical safety checklists, the chances of mistakes are reduced. Proper identification of the patient, correct surgical site marking, and instrument counting help prevent serious errors like wrong site surgery or retained instruments. Preventing infections. Good coordination ensures strict adherence to sterile techniques and infection control practices. The scrub nurse maintains the sterile field, the circulating nurse controls OT traffic, and all members follow hand hygiene protocols. This teamwork helps reduce the risk of surgical site infections. Managing emergencies effectively. During surgery, unexpected complications such as bleeding, cardiac arrest, or breathing problems may occur. A well-coordinated team responds quickly and efficiently. Each member knows their role, which helps in immediate action and better patient outcomes. Ensuring patient safety. Patient safety is the top priority in any surgery. Proper teamwork ensures continuous monitoring, correct medication administration, safe anesthesia, and smooth patient transfer before and after surgery. Effective coordination improves overall quality of care.